kids, today we are going to practice calligraphy. I hope you've watched the first part of calligraphy series so that you can do calligraphy better with this video. In this video, we'll be using only one line for every alphabet. Remember to use half line for shorter alphabets and the entire line for taller alphabets. Let's start with U's. Try writing U using half line and use the same technique as in the previous video. When you're going up, the pencil should be light. When you're coming down, the pencil should be dark. Try with different alphabets. If you see, the pencil becomes darker when we're coming down. You need to practice a lot with the pressure. Now, you need to use the full line for tall alphabets. Please take care of the pressure. If you press lightly on the paper, the pencil will be very light. If you press harder on the paper, your pencil will leave a dark mark. You need to take control over how hard you are pressing your pencil on the paper. Keep practicing till you get that effect. Practice writing different alphabets of different heights and different lengths. Try writing the same alphabet again and again till you get the perfect form. Remember kids, practice is the key here. Kids, don't forget and always remember the technique here. When going up, your pencil should be very light. When coming down, your pencil should be pressed harder and it should be dark. Once you've gotten really good with pencil, you should also try doing this with brush pens or sketch pens. Go with a similar technique. When going up, the sketch pen should be held very lightly. When coming down, it should be pressed a bit harder. Keep practicing. All the best.